Boys, what up? It's currently 7 a.m. in the morning around right now. I haven't just been able to sleep, so I've been working on videos. Hence, I had them finally trying to break it after 5 years. But I had to turn on the camera because I just made a purchase that you guys are going to be very stoked for. I'm just going to show you a picture right here, man. And clearly, this is going to be in the video you're watching right now when it comes in. Finally! Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So we just got something real sick in the mail, man, from a male woman, actually, which is really weird. Apparently, you shouldn't be calling them male women. She came to the door and handed me this package. I was like, thanks, male woman. And she just gave me a super weird stare, and I stared weird at her back, so I'm kind of confused. It was a half hour ago. I'm still a little affected by it. But anyway, as you guys already know, from the first clip of that video, we already know what we bought, even though I don't even know I'm still adding that first clip in the video. I was clearly just, like, overexcited and overtired. It didn't add anything to this video whatsoever, but you saw it, and you see what we're getting right now. Now this is real exciting because, as you guys know, one of our biggest series is on the channel, which means a lot of people clearly like it, is when we buy exact replica chains that rappers actually wear. We've done Blueface chains, a little Blueface pendant he has, we've done Trippie Red, Little Pump, we've done a bunch of others, at least anything that you guys suggest that you want to see, and I'm not even sure why you guys want to see it. I'm down to make videos you guys are down with, but like, let me know down below, do you guys wear these things once I tell you a good review on it? Like, do you go to school with like a Blueface rapper chain on, or is it just fun to look at? But anyway, you guys love watching these videos, so I make them. We've actually put this series that I'm talking about on hold for a while because there's so many rappers that I could get pendants of. Everyone's making them nowadays, but I really want to hit with the big ones, the ones that everyone knows about, aka this Little Pump pendant that you guys have seen. Now I'm gonna call it the D Rugged Addict chain. If I say anything else, I'm gonna get demonetized off YouTube because YouTube is now a family channel, if you guys didn't know. Not Telva2, not YTV, family channel. Hannah Montana style, except YouTube's not growing up sexy, you know what I mean? I'm already off topic, and also I'm trying to like be a little bit quiet. I think I'm being too loud, which is also in my head. My girlfriend's sleeping. She works night shifts at the hospital this week. So anyway, we got this pendant. We're bringing this series back with a big hard hitter. Everyone's been asking for this. The Little Pump. I think I've been saying little a lot, and I'm sure everyone's pissed off already. Drug addict chain. I almost said it, can't say it. Addict chain. I'm gonna bleep all that, I'm scared. But before we get into it, man, real quick, I gotta shout out our new website. As you guys know, NameBranFam.com. There's a link down below. If you guys want jewelry like this, these are the real ones, but you can get exact replica ones like this on my website for free. You just gotta pay shipping. You can get stuff like this. You can get really dope watches. Link is down below. Phone cases. Anything we talk about on the channel, from Selena Gomez to slides and stuff like that, you can get it there. Link down below, NameBranFam.com. I appreciate you. And I need you, honestly, to give me more money so you can actually afford these videos, because this costs a lot of money, dude. So I want to quickly debrief you on this piece and how I got it real quick, because I've been searching for this for a long time. This is such an iconic piece, man. Everyone knows it, and everyone's been asking for me to search it up to see if I could find one to review it. I never could until I think it was almost like, no, I think it was 4 days ago, because this came pretty fast. A company actually hit me up. I don't think it was one of you guys. I think it was the actual company that sent me the picture that you guys saw at the beginning of the video of it and said, we got the chain. Or we got this chain, do you want to review it? Something like that. Yeah, I don't know. They could have sent me nudes and I still wouldn't remember. I think I was pretty out of my mind when they hit me up at 3 in the morning. But anyway, this cost $500, man, which is so much money. But I was so stoked to get this. The quality looks really good too, that I couldn't say no. Which leads me to the thing, I kind of need views on this video to earn some of my money back. So if you guys want to give a big thumbs up and a comment down below, that would be so sick. I will give this away at one point, not on this video, because I really want to try to take it to a pawn shop and try to sell it for lots of money. I think that'd be fun, but I will give it away at one point. Thumbs up this video, comment down below. So anyway, that's the backstory. Really been searching for this. I really want to get into this because I'm so excited. One thing I do want to say is this thing is actually really light. That's kind of freaking me out. So I'm actually kind of curious too if it's made out of aluminum or what. We're gonna get into this right now, boys. Leave a big thumbs up and let me know down below who you want to see next. We put this whole series on hold for like 2 months now. Now I'm stoked to bring it back. Without further ado, boys, it's time to unbox this package like I unboxed your mom's. Open it up like this. Now, I think there was an article that Lil Pump on his real one paid around $500,000 for it. I'm not sure, or like it's worth $500,000 or whatever it is. So that's what we're dealing with right now. What I saw for pictures, an exact replica, which is going to make a great thumbnail, not gonna lie. And we're just gonna get into it, man. I'll give you guys a detailed review on what I think, because I always get effed. Okay, so sorry, quick drive real quick. I had neighbors outside and I can't scream out there like I want to right now. I just got scammed, falsely advertised, observed, or whatever. I've observed a false advertisement of a picture that they sent me, and then I spent $500 on the observed. I don't even know. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we just spent $500 on a lump of shit. And I can't even, nowadays with YouTube, I'm really trying not to swear, I'm sorry. Nowadays with YouTube, they're now figuring out the bleep situation, so this isn't gonna get monetized or anything. Awesome. I also have tennis players playing in the background of me, and I forgot my tripod. I'm sorry. So this is what the hell we got. I'm gonna get this out of the package real quick. I'm gonna calm the hell down. I actually haven't even looked at it. Okay. It's not bad. I might have overreacted a bit. It was still wrapped in this. It's not bad. It's not exactly at all of what they said, and it's definitely not $500 freaking dollars. 1 second, please. All right, so this is what we got here, and I'm sorry to make this unprofessional. I would love to stay in the house. My girlfriend's sleeping, and I knew I was about to explode. This is what we have. I 100% overreacted at first because I thought it was just going to be one of those dumb ones from Amazon. However, I haven't, because this is not worth $500 whatsoever. I'm actually just more pissed off about this video, and I'm actually really pissed off I didn't bring my tripod. So anyway, what we have here is it is the DRU attic pendant, which is not bad. It is dazzling a little bit, but the thing is, man, it's so thin, and the advertised picture was not that. It should not be this big. You guys saw the advertised picture. I'm not gonna pop it up because it's just gonna piss me off. I have to go edit this, so I don't want to look at it again, but you saw from the beginning what it was supposed to look like. That's the picture they sent me. Now that I think about it, I think they probably just sent me an actual picture of his pendant, which I clearly didn't buy. Clearly not 100% silver. Yeah, no, when I do that, I can like feel my teeth sinking into it. I'm not worried about the money as much because I was gonna spend that money anyway. I'm more worried about the video that we had with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I'm sweating, and I feel like I'm in a sauna, and I feel like the audio's bad because my car is louder because I haven't gotten an oil change in a little bit. I also hear a little couple girls screaming back there playing tennis, which I don't need to hear either. And there's sprinklers going off over here, which is just absolutely not a bad thing. It's just really distracting me. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to calm down by talking. So anyway, it's not a bad piece. It's really not. And it does have some really nice diamonds. I'm sorry this quality sucks right now, guys. I really should have just like grabbed my tripod before coming in. And it seems like a common denominator on this channel where, hey, let's just scam old NameBran because he's an idiot. I actually have to like start asking for pictures first, or like, I don't even know. No, because I asked for a picture. He sent me a picture, so clearly that wasn't it. So that's our pendant, and I'm really sorry if I failed you guys with this video. Apparently people love seeing me annoyed though too, so you're welcome for that if that gets you hard. Nah, this is 100% getting demonetized. We're talking about getting, doesn't matter. Anyway, that's it, guys. I don't know how else I want to drag. I do want to drag this out, I'm not going to lie. I would love to drag this out to 10 minutes, which I think I'm doing without even realizing it. But yeah, I would love to do that because I'm now down a lot of money again. Although it was through PayPal, and I think false advertisement, I think I have a case there. So I'm not too worried about it. But you guys let me know if we should try to take this, I guess, back to a thrift store. I thought it would have been a lot more cool if it was a big-ass piece, you know? Yeah, that's it. You guys let me know, though. I personally, like I say, if I was to wear anything, this would be better. I'm trying to actually, like, be a little positive here. For sure, this would be better. It's not as flashy, whatever, but that's not the point of the series. The point of the series is getting that real thing that they have in replica version and just kind of seeing it in person. So anyway, well, Pup, if you're watching this, I'd love you to reimburse me $500 from the people that gypped, I guess, your design off you, so that doesn't make sense. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it at this. Appreciate y'all for watching. I really don't set these up either. I really don't, because I'm thinking about this now. There's so many times where this has all happened. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching, making the game the greatest of all time. I got to go home and lightly edit this because I'm so pissed off. NameBran fam, we're going to have a new video out tomorrow, the next day, blah.